This 2017 Chrysler Pacifica is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Chrysler is powered by Russian front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, regular unleaded V6 3.6 L2-20 engine, and has 89,569 miles. Drive home in style. 2017 Chrysler Pacifica, spacious, reliable, and ready for your family adventures. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.